everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2crafters1design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and you see why I'm a diva. Every week we give you a theme. This week's theme is hot beverage. Next week's theme will be tags. And then we also enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood, which is also called Saturday Morning Makes. I'll have the ladies' links down below so you can join in on these collabs and use those hashtags so that we can come over and visit you. All right, so this week I thought I would continue on with My Creative Time's release. Since she had a cocoa mug, that's what I focused on today. So I am using this hot cocoa add-ons, and I'm using the peppermint sticks. I'm also using this wood plate, which accompanies the cocoa mug, which is right here. Love this. It's so super cute. I love that little cocoa mug. Super cute. And then also I'm using the gingerbread cookies plate, and I'm using one of those little gingers on there. I'm also using the 5x5 card die layers, and I'm just using this and this because that's on the inside, but definitely this one here. And the paper that I'm using is dots, solids, and stripes. I also pulled out the Stamp Anything die. Never used this, and I've had this for at least 2 years and found out I really love this die. I also put on the little fallouts on my hot chocolate as little sprinkles, so make sure you save those. It looks so cute. And here goes my lovely little card I created. I love how it turned out, and I thought about using those sprinkles kind of at the last minute. Threw them on there, added some what do you call it, glossy accents on top, and those look adorable. They're little, those little gingers are just too cute to me. I also used that ginger right there along with the straw and the peppermint sticks. Oh, I forgot the holly plate die. She just had that come back in stock, so it should be plenty for you to pick up if you hadn't had a chance to get yours. But I love this 5x5 card base layer there. Love how the little die from Stamp Anything really highlights that cocoa mug. It's just so cute to me. Then I added some enamel dots on there. Adorable. There goes the inside. I thought I would use the little postage stamp in the inside, but love this card. It's just so cute, so adorable. Oh, and I did add some Martha Stewart coarse glitter on there. So, but yeah, I love that. But if you have the chance, make sure you enter into our hashtag 2crafters1design, as well as hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. Keep in mind that today is the last day to get 15% off your total purchase at My Creative Time. That sale ends tonight. So if you'd like to use my code MOE for 15% off your total purchase, you may do so. And then tomorrow, if you go and purchase, it'll be 10% off. And you can still use my code or any one of the designers. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.